Jealous, passionately devoted. The jealous supporter cheered loudly. Alacrity, cheerful readiness. She ran to the playground with alacrity. Benevolent, kind and generous. The benevolent man donated to charity. Cacophony, harsh, loud mixture of sounds. The city was full of the cacophony of traffic. Diatribe, a bitter verbal attack. He launched into a diatribe against his critics. Esoteric, understood by a few. The topic was too esoteric for most readers. Grandiloquent, using pompous language. He gave a grandiloquent speech to impress the audience. Intransigent, refusing to change views. He was intransigent and wouldn't eat his vegetables. Jocular, humorous or playful. She told a jocular joke that had the class giggling. Knavery, dishonest behavior. He was known for his knavery and lies. Lethargic, lacking energy. He felt lethargic after staying up all night. Flippant, not serious or respectful. His flippant reply annoyed the teacher. Mendacious, lying or dishonest. The politician gave a mendacious account. Nefarious, wicked or evil. The villain's nefarious plan was revealed. Obsequious, overly obedient or flattering. His obsequious behavior was annoying. Panacea, a cure-all. Mom's hug felt like a panacea after a bad day. Querulous, complaining in a whining manner. The querulous child kept complaining the game was unfair. Sagacious, wise or clever. The sagacious leader made good decisions. Tantamount, equivalent in effect. His silence was tantamount to saying no. Vicissitude, a change of circumstances often bad. The vicissitude of his parents' divorce made him quiet. Wheedle, to persuade using flattery. He wheedled his grandma into telling another bedtime story. Yearn, a strong desire or craving. The boy had a yearn to play video games all day. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.